morning, my name is Brian and welcome to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The song called Sucker by Jonas Brothers. So let's start. So first you're gonna step to right, up, and 4, from here, circle, 5, 6. So this one is holding your, what is this, like a thigh. Then your right is in your tummy. Then you're gonna go isolation 7 and 8. You okay? A little bit. That's right. Do it faster. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you need to balance. Tighten your stomach so you can balance straight. One more time. 5, 6, and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Okay, from here, you're gonna step to your right side. Again, lift your left. Then push, and drop. Open, then right, left, and drop. One more time. So 5, 6, so we end up on 7 and 8. So from 7, 8 slide. 1, 2, push, 3, and a 4. Open on 5, 6, 7, drop on 8. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side 1, 2, push down, open, and drop. Okay, from here you're gonna need to put your weight to your right, change to your left, and drop. Copy that? Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide to the side and push down. Open, right, left, drop. Okay. Okay, right after you do this, 7 and 8. So you're going to step. Is going to the front. 1. This is single count. 1. Step your left. 2. Change weight. 3. On the 4th, 4. Let's do it again slowly. 5, 7, and 8. Gonna go 1, left, right, and down. So you're gonna put down your right hand on 4. From here, step your left, arm stay. 5, push 6, back 7, go 8. Try again. 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, 8, 1, drop on 2. Copy? 7, 8, 1, then close on 2. 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. From here, 3, 4, 7, 8, 3, 4, 7, 8, 3, 4, 7, 8, 3, 4. From here, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy? From here, you're gonna go cross. 5, 6, 7, and then 5, 6. Then shoulder, 7, and 8. One more time. You're gonna go 5 and 6, 7, 8. Good. 7 and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, you can move a little bit to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's pick up 7. From here, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. From the top. So 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop. Shoulder. 8. So from here, you gotta go. You hear the music. So you gotta go dan 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 dan. It goes like dan 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 dan. Then slide side dan 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 cover. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and then slide. So while sliding, your head gotta go isolation. Head it, and cover. Like an army. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, and okay? So for the isolation, for the head isolation, so you're gonna go like this. So without this one first, you're gonna go, you put your hands here, so you can hold something, then side, right, and stop, 7, and then right, again, right, and stop. So basically, you just push your head to your right. If your face is facing to your right, it's fine for you. But later on, you get used to it. And down. So while doing this, side, and here. So from here, 7 and 8 to here. Then, ha. Very good. Let's try from the top. This time, speed up. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, down. 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 5, 6. Here we go. And head. Good job. Okay, right after that, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. You're gonna do a freestyle, 7 counts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, cross on 8. Right in front, 7 and 8. So from here, legs first, up. 1, 2, 3, and down. One more time, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, down. Then your hand, 1, 2, 3, down. Again, 1, 2, 3, down. All together now. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and down. Okay, from here, 3, 4, just side. 5, 6, side, like you're wearing your jacket. 5, 6, again to the back, 7, and 8. So this one, you're gonna push 7, 8. One more time, ad-lib, freestyle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jacket on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's right. So from here, 7, 8, then 10, again 7, and then 10, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Jacket 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here you're gonna look to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then turn on 5, 6. Grab this one and 7 and 8. Twice and 8, 7 and grab it, grab 7 and grab. This one is open. It's like you're holding something. 7 and 7, 8. Let's try it from here. 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3. Jacket. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, third, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay? Let's do a little bit slowly. 6, 7 and 8. Go 1, 2 and 3. Down 4. Jacket. 5. Down 6, 7. Up. Look to your left. 3, 4. Then turn on 5. Open on 6. Then pull. 2 times. And 7, 8. Good job. Let's try everything from the beginning. 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 6, 7, 8. 1, look. 3, down. 5, 6. Slow. 1, close. And 5, 6, 7. And wiggle. Then 5, 6, 7, add this freestyle curve and count. 4, 5, 6, 7, here we go. 2, 3, 4, jacket. 6, 7, 8, look. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. Good job. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. Let's stay tuned for more dance video and tutorial. See you soon. Bye bye.